Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature 7 hair transformations that will amaze you. So if you feel inspired by any of these hot hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this neon orange peachy colored bob, followed by the Beaver hair coloring. So this is actually a huge trend on TikTok right now. Girls are requesting the brunette glossy finish that Beaver has, and I think that this is an absolutely beautiful hair shade. Gorgeous, so much dimension added in with that blonde. And then next up we see this beautiful burgundy dark red hair color. Looks like she's going to be getting a bit of a trim as well. Oh wow, absolutely gorgeous. So the stylist actually ended up adding in some curtain bangs. Love that red hair coloring. So we have a bob haircut transformation for the next hairstyle. So it looks like the stylist is doing more of that layered bob trend. Beautiful shaggy style bob, absolutely gorgeous shape and texture throughout. So we have another kind of Shaggy Bob style. Looks like she's going to be getting some curtain bangs with this one. And all of these hair trends are going to be very popular in 2023. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love this fresh update that we're seeing of the bob haircut. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.